Hello Leos, welcome to Vasool Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? Also, one more important thing, guys, if you want to help us with the donation link is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support our channel with the help of personal booking related to situationship, career, relationship, whatever it is, you can book on one-on-one personal reading with me online, given in the details below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to if you want to support our WhatsApp sessions, you can also join our 10 days tarot learning workshop and numerology. The details are given in the description box below. That is a workshop happening on WhatsApp video call or else Skype video calls, okay? And you can participate as a Vasool giveaway participant, and the details of that entering into a giveaway is also given in the description box below, okay? And last but not the least, if you want to be a part of our Facebook live session daily between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, you can be a part of it, of hashtag Vasool giveaway. For that, for entering, the steps are given in the description box below, okay? So today's topic is, what is your desire, what is your direction, and what is the detail you should go for, okay? It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. Take it however it resonates, okay? Let me check. What is your desire, your direction, your direction, your detail. Desire, direction, detail. Desire, direction, detail. Wow. Okay, so guys, your desire is the sun, okay? You are want to shine bright, you want to move forward into your life, you are into your own power, okay? You are regaining your own power back. You want a new beginning by moving forward, by releasing all the heartbreak, pain, emotional pain, depressed energy, sadness, anxiety issues, whatever you had. You want a new beginning into your life. You want to regain your own power back. You want to move forward from all this emotional heartbreak and drama, and you want a new beginning in life by moving forward, okay? Your direction is that you want the direction is that some sort of an opportunity is coming into your life when it comes to money related thing, or else relationship. Take it however it resonates. It might be related to relationship because there is two of cups and the lovers, okay? So the direction is that I feel there is some sort of an opportunity of commitment is coming into your way, okay? There you have to take a decision. There is some sort of indecisiveness is definitely there, okay? And a lot of heartbreak, pain, problems, trauma is definitely there. So you have to release all this heartbreak, emotional pain, emotional burden, and you have to take one of the decisions when it comes to an opportunity in this long-term commitment, okay? Yes. And your detail is ending of a bad cycle, toxic situation, toxic cycle, and establishing or rebuilding or beginning of a new cycle and new life, okay? The detail is that you have to rebuild this relationship or whatever it is. Some sort of coming together, reconciling, reuniting is definitely taking place here. So you have to rebuild this connection. You have to rebuild this connection once again, okay? You have to work hard for it, because, or not you, I think the other person is trying to rebuild this connection and coming with an offer of love towards you, okay? Coming with an offer of opportunity of love towards you, and he or she wants to come together and reconcile, reunite, because I think there are some hidden truths and secrets have come out, okay? And he has realized the truths, the honesty, like there are some hidden truths, hidden secrets were there. Those have come up, and they want to rebuild this connection, okay? Because why you are not taking an action, because you are into your own power, okay, in the desire sector. So you won't be taking an action. So other person wants to reconcile, reunite, and they are ending this sort of toxic cycle or a toxic situation, and they want a reconciliation when it comes to this connection. Okay, they want to start, they want a new beginning with this connection for sure. Okay, and they will be coming towards you and taking an action towards you and trying to rebuild this connection again from the scratch. Okay, so that is what I am seeing over here. Okay, this might be a love reading for sure. Okay, let me check it out. One universal message for you guys. I don't know, I just feel like checking out one universal message. Okay, the universe is telling you that yeah, an offer, new opportunity, page of swords, new opportunity is definitely coming, new beginning, someone is coming towards you with an offer of love towards you. Okay, so yeah, there has to be a decision made by you. There's some sort of decision which you will take when it comes to this connection, overall energy. Okay, so yes guys, a reconciliation, reunion, coming together, entering a new love, something is happening definitely. If you are a single, then entering of a new love is taking place for you guys. Okay, and if you are in relationship but separated, then reconciliation and reunion is definitely taking place. Okay, so yes, universe is coming up with a new offer of love towards you. Okay, and release all this juggling, because you have to make a decision when it comes to this connection and this relationship. Okay, and the upcoming weeks, upcoming months, whatever it is, because this is a timeless reading. Okay, so yes guys, also one more important thing guys, if you like my channel, if you want to support my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasoul Tarot Prediction. And yes, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details of the booking is given in the description box below. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you so much Leos. Okay.